Ooh, Starbucks today too. Nice. So we are live. Welcome everybody. So we got Meta. Oh man, that sucks. Xbox. I did put my Starbucks prediction, I think. Xbox. Oh, welcome back everybody. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Welcome to another episode of Scotch and Stocks. Today we have earnings for Microsoft, Meta, Robinhood, Coinbase, and Starbucks in the docket. It's going to be an interesting day for sure. So keep it close because we're gonna see markets move today. Hopefully, we are in the negatives today, which hurts a little bit, but hopefully we can continue to come back from it. Overall, market is selling off into the close though, so it's also something to consider. We did get a bounce halfway through the day, but we seem to be coming back down from it. The VIX bumped up today. Everything's down. Bitcoin down. The Q, the Nest, the Dow, everything. We have Microsoft having earnings today. It's going to be an interesting one for sure. We're going to see how AI is performing, which could be scary because Copilot is still not optimal for computing. I'm not sure of what improvements they have made. Could see some weakness as it capex continues to increase. Who goes first? I think it's Meta first. Let's change some of the rules here. So what we're looking for is edit, and we're gonna go delete all. We're gonna go MSFT ticker. We're gonna go Meta, Coinbase, Spugs. And we go in Hood. Save, apply. Okay. And then we're gonna keep a close eye. So let's go hot seat. Want to see how Bitcoin behaves in this. The DT is way down today. It gave away all of its gains from yesterday. Is anything happening in the raise today? I wonder. Keep a close eye on that. And then delete that. The TQs. Gonna be paying attention, but Microsoft Hood. Wow. Better than expected. Didn't they say 65? Wait. He said 65 billion, didn't he? Huh. Let's have a look at what he has to say here. Come on, update, update, update. Stock seems to like it. Earnings per share came in higher than expected at 3.3. That was weird. They came in at close. Barely getting any move. I mean, 1.5%. This could be a buying opportunity for the stock. Let's have a look at this move. Can you update? Come on. There we go. Stock's liking this. Stock's liking the Microsoft results. Why is this not updating for me? God dang it. No, we're going 2024 and we're going Q4, I think. Go. So let's have a look. Where's my data? Yeah, there we go. The estimator was 64.5 and they came in at 65.6. So yeah, they beat expectations on all metrics, it seems. Let's have a look. Business highlights. Office commercial products and cloud services increased 12%. Not bad. Office 365 commercial revenue growth 13%. Office customer products. Yeah, revenue increased 15%. Not bad. They make so much money, it's not even funny. They made this year $245 billion, an increase of 16% year on year. This one's their guidance will be provided. Stock like that, that's for sure. We're up from the close. We're up about 3% on a stock like Microsoft. Massive move. I'm surprised this came way down. I don't really understand why. It's 3% down and then all the way another bounce of 5%. That was weird. They made a mistake calling it. Cloud revenue came in hot, but not super hot. And intelligent cloud revenue comes in at 24 billion. It's pretty nice. There we go. It took forever to come out. Yeah. Okay, that's a moderate beat on revenue. Huh. Starbucks misses really bad. Ooh. It's a massive sellout, but they seem to be good results. Ooh, Starbucks misses both on earnings per share and revenue. Ooh. Huh. Wow. Hood comes in line with expectations and misses on sales or revenue. Oh wow. Hood's gonna hurt after that. Let's have a look. Ooh. Hood down 12%. Oof. It's getting punished. Ooh, that's a nasty drop right there. They were spending so much money on revenue on advertising with the gold card. Wow, market's gonna be down today. There's not enough moves on those. Meta seems to be going to the negatives, which I don't understand why. Let's have a look. Bam. This is an 18% increase over sales. 18% year over year. That's not bad at all. Let's go back to estimates for a second. So it comes down. That comes down a little bit. Fine. Q3 at 10. There we go. 5% year over year. What? Stock dip doesn't like it. I think expectations are way too high for the stock market right now. It does feel like we're expecting so much. Starbucks hurts. Oof. Revenue came in good, though. Ooh. They hired a ton more people. That's interesting. 45 to 48 billion. Guidance is pretty good. Now the question is, what was Wall Street expecting? Market doesn't like it at all, though. Man, Hood is bad. 14% drop. Question is, do you enter here to play the upside? But those earnings were not good. The VIX is up today. VIX is up almost 5%. Could we get a jump here? His results are mixed. I don't know how I feel about him. Everything's down. Market just wants to sell off today, and then tomorrow we have Apple and Amazon earnings too. Whoa, I forgot. I don't think they're out yet. Let's have a look. Yeah, they're not out yet. Let's have a look. I don't think they have reported yet, my friend. Let's have a look. What was I expecting for coin? Coin was 45 cents. Is it Q3? Yeah. These are the earnings for today. Why are they not here? Yeah, but they're out. 1.2 billion. I need a breakdown of that. Seems to become a little bit under than expectations. Let's have a look. Oh, okay. Yeah, there we go. So they missed on earnings per share. They missed by a lot. They're expecting 42 cents and they come in at 28. Oof. Those ones hurt. So I wonder why. I wonder why. Yeah, so they came in weak in revenue as well. 78% higher sales year on year, but they still hurting. Let's have a look. We got a coin here. Stock's gotta get stock's gotta be hurting. Yeah, there we go. I'm kind of surprised though because Bitcoin has been center stage. The thing is just like altcoins have been very dead, you know? Maybe if we see the Trump presidency and we see the Bitcoin rally, then we could see the broadening of the rally into altcoins, but I don't know if we get that. At least we haven't gotten it yet, right? So it's like maybe a good entry point if you think that Trump's going to win and we're going to see that happening into the next couple of months. Let's have a look. no, what am I looking at? Okay, yeah, I was gonna say that made no sense. I was looking at crude. There you go. Bam, bam. Still getting hurt. Oh my goodness. It's kind of nasty. Robinhood didn't do good, which you would think that with the current rally, you would see them actually benefit. I'm guessing people are not selling, so they're not trading as much. Robinhood didn't do good. Meta didn't do good. They did okay, but the only stock that's up after earnings is Microsoft, and by a minuscule amount. Oh, Hood bounced back a little. Be interesting to say what to know what they say in the earnings calls. Oh man, today hurts. Not every day is a good day. Holy. Overall market is down. Let's have a look. How did the market close? Google was the only thing. Voice news disconnected. Damn. That was weird. Damn, AMD down. The AMD trade was the scary one. Because that rest of the market is not super hurt, but let's have a look. Yeah, overall market is hurting. The only company that's making tons of money in microchips right now is Nvidia. Wow. Even Micro got hurt today. Micron. Man. Oof. Salute. Yeah, they missed that. So Coinbase, just like a little recap. Today earnings weren't so good. Kind of continues the story from yesterday, which is not super nice. Banks did okay last week, but this week their earnings haven't been sort of stellar. And I think the market is priced for stellar. So we could see a retracement heading into the end of the week. That being said, we still have major big hitters tomorrow. So look. Earnings hub. We have Apple, Amazon for sure. We have Uber in the morning, MasterCard. We have Intel tomorrow, which there is a potential that Intel maybe bounces off because they've had such negative, what's it called? Such a negative story around them. But we'll see what happens. And then we head into oil by the end of the week. I think. Well, the price of oil continues to come. It's been pumping a little bit, but it continues to come down. By the start of the week, it was down like 5%. Crude at least. Hmm. 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 Ooh, ConocoPhillips tomorrow. They tend to do really well. Anything else I'm missing? I don't think so. I think I'm happy with this. It hurts. Not every day is a green day in the stock market. That's for sure. That bounce halfway through the day was an interesting one, but all of a sudden we gave it all away. Look at volume. Yeah, right there. Just before the close, we started selling off drastically. Halfway through the day, in reality. Man. Well, thanks so much for watching, everybody. I appreciate you being here. If you got any questions, shoot them in the messages or in the comments below. I'm more than happy to answer them. But yeah, Nothing interesting. Microsoft beats, Meta beats, but it's a very subtle beat. Hello, how you doing? Nice. Did you find me through YouTube, eh? It's late for you. Or is it early? I guess it could be early for you. Oh. Yo, by the way, I love the videos. They've been great. I'm excited for what's to come. It's very cool. Very cool. This is the way. That's the beauty of it too, you know. You gotta get you. We gotta do a little episode on crypto. I'm more than down. I have a group of people that have taken advantage of the crypto rally. Right now, I'm waiting for the Trump win. Nice, nice. I'm excited. I'm excited. Yeah, I think we're meeting with the rest of the group on Friday to talk about, well, this earnings, which so far have been nothing but disappointing so far, you know? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh man. I'm losing so much money today. Today sucks. Today sucks. Should have just stayed out. See what happens tomorrow, but oh, just ugly. Overall market. Oh, oh man. I heard you planning to go to stocks also. Any in particular? Yeah, Coinbase down. Oof. Coinbase came out so late, that update. What the elect? No, no. Don't worry about it. It's okay. Um, I'm just thinking. I'm like going through my thoughts in my head, but yeah. Man, yeah, the election is going to be an interesting one. Right now, I think we're not getting that much volatility for it, for sure. But it's going to be, well, I don't know why, but DJT today dumped, which was also very, very interesting. Like, this is like, crypto what when you look at stocks like this, you know? If you go like here, it's an insane one. Check this out. Like, like in a matter of 2 days, we went from, like, we pumped like 40%. And then we dropped another 30. Like, we dropped 30% in like matter of 2 days. I'm not really sure why. I wonder what happened with Trump today. Because usually this follows the polls. Ooh, actually, let's look at that. Betting odds. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, 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 yeah. VJT, like, it's like whenever there's a shift in the polls or on the betting odds or anything, you can see the stock plummet, and any sort of changes, you see that stock plummeting. So something happened in the last couple of days. Maybe the little comment on Puerto Rico maybe caused a little bit of mayhem. I don't think so, but yeah, it's an interesting one. How many days do we have until the election? Is it what, on the 5th of November? So a couple more days. Oh, It's gotta be if I was in American time, I would stream it. It'd be so much fun. I want to try to get Dimitri. I want to try to get everybody. Well, whenever I start doing, because I'm planning to do more streams more often, so I'm planning to get like people in and just have conversations and chats. And I also want to do Twitter live spaces as well. I gotta put the chat up top. It'll be nice to have it up top there, so people can understand what I'm talking about. Oh, haven't. Yesterday I streamed, and yesterday was an interesting one too. Yesterday we had what was the earnings yesterday? It was here, let me have a look. I think the betting odds are a little bit better than the polls, because with the polls, it's like you call, right? You're surveying people. Depending on where you survey, you're more likely to get votes from one person or another. It depends on the day, truly. But betting odds, they're ongoing. And people are actually putting money in order to really think who's really going to win based on their knowledge and, research and information. So I think I would put more weight in the betting odds, but again, like there's still like there's still probability of this being completely wrong. It's just I think it's people that pay attention to markets and pay attention to the trading and all that stuff. So it's like there has to be. I think it's like similar to what you said in your episode. It's like show me what you have in your portfolio, and this is like show me what the betting odds are, and I'll tell you I'll tell you what will really happen in this case, because people are putting money in for sure. You know, put your money where your mouth is, kind of sense. What's I gonna do? I forgot. Here, yeah, this. Yesterday we had AMD, didn't surprise. Google did fantastic yesterday, and Snap had really good earnings too. First Solar got hurt, but did you see the Reddit results? The Reddit results were fantastic. So, and then tomorrow we have Uber, and then we get two massive hitters, which is Amazon and Apple. I'm interested. Tomorrow might be an interesting trade to do Intel. Maybe do some options on it. And expect volatility on the stock for sure. So there's a lot of people that are looking to exit Intel. Hmm. Man, there was a better website and I cannot find it. I used to have a. Yeah, it's gonna be interesting. Predict it. I think this one is it. Yeah, 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 yeah. This one with the cents. It's like Trump has just come back from the dead. Thanks for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Nice. I'm glad. I'm glad. Talk to you soon. But yeah, this is like the way I want to stream this. If it wasn't, if it wasn't in the middle of like the night for me, because like this will probably go on for like 2 days after. It'll be so good. It's like they're still saying the news. I'm like, people are still expecting. That's crazy. Bye bye. Have a great one. Have a good one. Now it's just a random stream about who do I think who's gonna win the presidential election based on betting odds. That's hilarious. Oh man, I can do a short about this. Yeah, I need to do a short. That's also something else I need to do. I need to do a short on what to trade. You know, I don't care who wins. I just care where my money is after the person that wins gets there. Man, I posted today. I posted today the what's it called? The correlation based on the polls too. That one was an interesting one. I'm gonna write an article about that. Gotta do short. Gotta do articles. Man, social media pain in the ass. Oh man. What? I'm gonna do a little bit of research here. All right, let's figure out why DJT dumped today. They were good earnings, but they weren't fantastic. Oh, that was great. Market healed a bit. That's fantastic. Number keeps going back up. Nice. Oh, actually, we're gonna go premium. We're gonna go X Pro. Let's do a little bit of analysis and see what's up here. Where's Donald Trump? What? What did he say? Hmm. And there's no crazy news. Nothing is telling me that the reason why DJT. So, oh my goodness, really? Is this the big? Is this the big? Lol. Oh, could that be? Well, that'd be crazy. That'd be crazy. You might need short sellers. If that number pumps up in the next couple of days, that'd be hilarious. Could we see a short squeeze on this stock? That's potentially why we saw the stock rally 40%. Crazy. Lol. Okay, let's have a look. Continue the research. All right. I think I'm off. I'm off. I'm off. Oh, freaking, freaking Elam, dude. Well, thanks so much for watching, everybody. I appreciate you all. Oh man, peace out. Oh man, this is fun. Like super not interesting. Now that I can see the ease, I can follow people. But yes, thanks so much for watching, everybody. Peace out. I'll do a recap at the end of the week of what I think of the economy because right now, man, two things are scaring me: the lack of a lot of revenue misses in many different companies. EPS, it's a way to hide it, but at the end of the day, revenue, if revenue starts coming off, it's you got to figure out like ways to cut costs. And if you're cutting costs, sometimes you're trying to get rid of things. So, all right. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for watching. Peace out, everybody.